Today we're working on this Craftsman riding lawnmower. I picked this thing up last summer for free, and I've noticed that it developed a little bit of an oil leak. So it was smoking at the front, and you can see it's even kind of smoking a little bit from when I just started up and moved it. But I believe that the valve cover gasket is leaking. So this is pretty common on these Briggs and Stratton single cylinder engines. So I purchased a new valve cover gasket. This is a simple repair. We're going to take it off, clean it, put the new gasket on, and see if that resolves the oil leak. All right, ready? There you go. Take this off, kind of hand loosen. Loosen, there you go. Nice. Good job. Good job. Nice. Perfect. So I'm wondering if this is kind of where it was leaking out, potentially. On this side, it's kind of where it looks like it was kind of collecting. This is the tedious part, just trying to clean the old gasket off and just being careful not to leave any residue inside. Pretty good about how clean we got both sides. We got our new gasket here. I'll put a link for this part number down in the description. Make sure you're checking your model, but if you happen to have the same mower, maybe this will help you out. So I'm going to put a little oil on the back of the gasket, put it on, torque it down. We'll see if this thing is fixed. Looked all over the place for torque specs on this thing and I couldn't find anything, so I'm just going to do this as tight as it feels before I feel like it might strip out. We're going to top this thing off on oil and see how it looks. Cleaned up all the oil, power washed it, cleaned all the grease up. So we're going to start it, let it run, and just double check and see if there's any leaks. So I let this thing run for about 10 minutes. The valve cover gasket looks dry. No oil leaking. Checking underneath it, everything looks good. So we're gonna consider this one fixed. Thanks for watching today, guys. If you wanna see the full video on this lawnmower, we drove 500 miles to get it. Check that out. We'll see you on the next one.